Myself, Nuer. Today we're going to go through adverbs or abbreviate katong Nuer, and I'm going to be really very brief. And today adverb kia abbreviate katong Nuer, kariet tirep kaneriet, and wale. I'm going to take you through all these. Just the introduction, the brief introduction, the brief introduction of adverbs. Adverbs are called rebriet katognora in Nuer, rebriet or did riet. So did riet or rebriet mean adverbs. So adverbs add to the verbs. So riet can be rebriet. Okay. Rebriet actually answered 4 questions. Here, adverbs answer 4 questions. So the 4 questions that that the adverbs answers are, the first questions that we're going to see is nay, nay, nay. Okay. Nay here is more about time. It's asking about time. Ta kia guath. So raya ke time. In English, this is when, which is asking time. So when you have a question when, you remember you're talking about adverbs. So make it tie nay, tie no guad kia tage talk door. Okay. Now the next one. Nika. Nika.